Welcome, welcome, welcome to Math is Easy, Step by Step. So here in part 2, I like to continue and show you the methods that we can use to solve this problem, and I will be showing you the first way, and that is to use substitution. I'm going to take A, B, C, D, and E options for this test question, and one at a time I'm going to substitute for the value of x. And again, if one side equals the other side, I found my answer. If one side does not equal the other side, then I can eliminate those options. And you'll see here, so let's just dive right on into it. I apologize for the shaking. I'm using an old camera, and I'm really trying to earn some gifts or donations in order to get a high definition camera to give you some better quality stuff. But I'll do the best that I can do here, and I'm going to show you step by step. So I'm going to start by substituting a -7 into the equation everywhere I see x. I'm going to substitute that -7. That's from my A option. I'm showing you here. And I'm going to just then simplify step by step. So 3 times -7 is a -21. I'm showing you that here. And a -7 plus 2 is a -5. Then going to simplify inside the radical in my next step. -27 plus 46 gives me square root of 25, right? Because 46 minus 21 is 25. 25 is a perfect square. It's 5 times 5 equals a -5, -5. In a perfect radical, we just need, in a square root, we need two perfect pairs to pull out one value. I have a value of 5 equals -5. Does 5 equal a -5? Not true. No. Right? So the answer cannot be a -7. So what does that mean? Well, if the answer cannot be a -7, taking a look here, I wanted to show you, right? If the answer cannot be -7, then the answer cannot be A. It could be B. It could be C, because that's a +7. But the answer cannot be D, -7. The answer also could not be E, -7. Because each of those values, E, D, and A, all contain a value of a -7. So it can only be a possibility, as you can see up here, and I'm going to show you in a moment, B and C, because A, D, and E all have that -7. Cross them off. Now you got a 50% chance of guessing correctly. So I'm just showing you that here, right? So if x does not equal -7, you can eliminate A, D, and E. Now you got a 50% chance. Listen, if I'm going to Las Vegas and I got a 50% chance of winning money, you know I'm going to be doing that, right? So I'm showing you here B or C options, okay? So that's where it's at. Only B and C options. So let me show you again B and C. So B is 6. C is a -6 and a 7. So I'm just going to try to substitute a 6 for X and see where that gets me. And let's just jump right on into it. So, as you can see here, I substitute a 6 for X on both sides of the equal sign. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 46. Don't forget that radical. Equals 6 plus 2, which is right here. 18 plus 46 is 64 inside the radical equals 6 plus 2 is 8. I know 64 is a perfect square. 8 times 8 is 64. So I've got 2 8s. Pull out one value inside a square root. 8 equals 8. Is that true? Yes. X equals 6 has got to be the answer for this particular problem. Now again, 64, square root of 64 is 8 times 8. In a square root, I need two perfect pairs just to pull out one value. So I'm showing you here 8 equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 8 is true. So yes, the answer, x equals 6, the answer is B. Now, even if you just guess that, you got a 50% chance of guessing B or C, right? But what I like to do in this next video, part 3, is to show you step by step how to solve and how to factor to find the answer. But again, both of these methods will work. The substitution method will work in getting an answer, and factoring and finding the zeros of the equation will also work for you. So stick with me. Part 3, I'm going to show you how to do it and how to check your answers once you solve the problem step by step. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate your time. Math is easy, step by step. And if I've helped you, please help me to continue to come to you and others and develop more videos by donating gifts. Thank you so very much for your time.